The way I see it, the world needs to reduce its carbon emissions by 80% at least by the year 2050. Buildings are contributing about 40% of that problem, and our belief is that deep refurbishment of our existing building stock by an energy consumption reduction of at least 70% is critical to success.
The UN Brundtland Commission defined sustainability as meeting the needs of the present without compromising the needs of the future in what I think everybody accepts was a landmark report.
Joining together government so that there's a holistic view in government's approach to the built environment has been very difficult. As far as the industry is concerned, the industry does come together.
The green agenda should be escalated because the nature of climate change and global warming is speeding up, and I think we need to escalate the urban greening agenda as well, because there are so many benefits of urban trees and landscape.
But we tend to assume the design and construction teams are what they were been for a long time, and I think they're going to be rather more interesting. They're going to have more interventions from, say, ergonomists or human scientists or the new form of environmental ecologists. We now are talking about the future for smart buildings. That is, the smart, the digital, the high-tech, that is important, and that is moving at a very rapid pace. But we also are designing buildings and cities for people. So the actual quality of life aspects are really very important.
I think that there is a massive problem in the dissemination of research, development and innovation outputs. I think there's always an argument that says you should invest more in research and development. So I think dissemination of research is our big failing to the wider industry. So it's been that relationship between industry innovation and client demand that has actually driven a better and more efficient construction industry.
What is the one thing that's there that gives multiple benefits and will help cool the city? The tree. So trees, are terribly important as part of that whole holistic livable environment for people, and also they're a very important element in maintaining the natural living environment of our cities.
So there is a real problem in decarbonising the existing building stock, and it's almost the forgotten piece of the work that we're doing on sustainability and the green agenda. We mustn't forget that the vast majority of our building stock is existing and it's old. And because it's old, it's tired and it's wheezy and it leaks, and we're losing energy through those leaks. And we really do have to tackle those.
Climate change is going to require us to adapt our building stock, and that's a massive task. But we need a commitment from government and society to a programme that will probably take 30 years to upgrade our existing dwellings and other buildings so that they are fitter for the future.
And that brings me to what I call the big balance. The balance between our behaviours and our economics, between collaboration and natural capital, between reduction and mitigation, between recycling and adaptation. The big balance of behaviour and economics leading to sustainability.